Good everybody, it is the 19th of November. It's Trader Cobb here with CRI, Crypto Revolution Investments. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Trader Cobb, C-O-B-B, and to jump on YouTube for Crypto Revolution Investments to watch the videos, subscribe, and follow us all on Facebook. Alright, so Bitcoin. Why do I keep looking at Bitcoin? Why don't I go to the alts? Because I'll tell you what, Bitcoin is a beast at the moment. Bitcoin's where the activity is. It's a good barometer. The fork's over and done with, and it's moving, and that seems to be a hot topic at the moment. So look, what am I looking at? Now, if you recall last video, I talked about 5,000. We didn't get there. We pushed on. We have pushed on and tested 8,000. We've pulled back from 8,000. This bullish candle didn't quite pull back in here, but it has tested 8,000 twice, and it's looking rather bullish indeed. Bit of divergence on these highs, but I'm sort of fighting that because it's only a minimal. You know, the distance between this old high and this old high is so minimal. I'm not seeing it as being major. What I am seeing as being major is 8,000, and do I think we'll break it? I do actually. The way price is playing here, the way it's sort of rolling out, I do see 8,000 being broken this week. Now that I've said that, you watch. I love a bit of foot and mouth disease. I'm a trader. You need to remember that I am not always right. All right, I read the markets based on historical evidence, based on my years of experience in trading markets, and it's a probabilities game. Probabilities wise, I do see the way price is holding out, moved up, pulled back, moved away, big run, pulled back, and it's held in here. We haven't seen any significant sell-offs after what has been a very, very strong run up. And when I say, you know, you look at the last strong run up we had here, that was a pretty decent pullback there. Strong run up here, we had a decent pullback here. Strong run up here. Actually, that almost went 100% back, but this one's just shot up and hasn't pulled back as of yet. Now, could it still pull back? Absolutely. Yeah, for sure. No doubt about it. But on this 4-hour chart, I do like the look of it. It's just holding really, really nicely. And I was actually looking around thinking maybe there's a consolidation to trade and push up through 8,000. But in all honesty, it's just not precise enough for me. I like flat horizontal levels. If I'm going to trade a breakout, it needs to be a horizontal a specific level. Some people would draw that as a level. Well, that wouldn't be correct in my view because it's broken above it. I do like the high lows coming up into price. I really do like that. I like the convergence of the indicators on this 1-hour chart. I just don't think that there's going to be, well, actually, I don't believe there'll be enough reward to risk up to 8,000 because 8,000 is resistance. Think about probabilities when we're trading. If I was to enter now at say 7,800 with a stop at 7,600, that's a $200 stop. Now the resistance is at 8,000, that's a $200 move. Now it's very often that we don't quite hit 8,000, we come just before, so I don't even have a reward risk ratio of 1-to-1 there. It's with this in mind that I'll be waiting and watching for one of two things at the start of the week. First things first, if I can see 8,000, if the price comes up and consolidates and holds 8,000, maybe a break through 8,000 might be a trading opportunity that I'll take. The other thing that I want to consider is a break above 8,000. The first pullback into 8,000 could be a very probable opportunity for a trade. So guys, that's my call on Bitcoin. It does look very strong. It maintains a very, very stellar move. I don't think I wouldn't be surprised, I should say, not to see 10,000 hit by the end of this year. You know, it's not that far to go, to be absolutely honest with you. I would have liked to have seen a bit more of a pullback. We did see a pullback. This stretch looks like we could get up to 9. And if we keep in mind, each time, you know, if I'm not going to do it here, you can see my past videos because I don't want this video to go too long. But a decent pullback to 50% has seen a move of about, you know, triple each time. So, you know, we got back to 3,000. Up to 9,000. We went from 1,000 to 3,000, and we pulled back to 2,000. So it's that sort of repetitive nature, and we don't have a lot of data there on Bitcoin, as in it's not been around for very long in its current sense. So I do believe that if that is to play out, then 9,000 will be a target to hit by the end of the year. How we get there, I don't know, but I'll keep you informed. Don't forget to follow Trader Cobb, C-O-B-B on Twitter, Crypto Revolution Investments on Facebook, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. It's the 18th of November. Speak to you all very soon. It's the 19th of November, I should say. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.